In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up face unlock on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in security and privacy, tap on lock screen, tap on screen lock, tap on this toggle to enable the face unlock, tap on continue, tap on next, select the screen lock. I am selecting pin. It is saying to register my face. Now wait for a minute. My face is registered. Tap on done. Tap on done again. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my mobile is unlocked, but it is not automatically swipe up. So again, go in settings, scroll down, go in security and privacy, again scroll down, go in biometrics, tap on face recognition, enter the PIN or password you selected. Now here you can see stay on lock screen until swipe is enabled. To disable it, tap on this toggle. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my phone is unlocked and it is also swipe up automatically. So this is how you can set up face unlock on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.